We are getting some troubling economic numbers today. The Canadian economy lost 66,000 jobs in August, pushing the unemployment rate to 7.1%. That is the highest level in 9 years, excluding the pandemic period. And business analyst Kris McCusker joins us now. And Kris, we're really starting to see the impact of the trade war with the U.S.
Yes, one analyst describing this jobs report, Cynthia, as putrid.
Putrid.
That kind of says it all, doesn't it?
That's quite the word, yes.
Yes, so most of the jobs that were lost were part-time, Ontario taking the biggest hit. There was an expectation for a gain of 5,000, so we weren't even close on this. It was the second monthly decline after a drop of 40,000 jobs in July. And yes, the trade war with the U.S. is part of the story, but the reality is that our economy was starting to struggle before Donald Trump returned to the White House. Trade issues, though, not making things better. Canada's economy has now lost an average of 6,600 jobs a month over the past 6 months. That is the weakest half year since the pandemic.
That is not good news. And of course, everybody's wondering about the R word, recession.
And that is certainly a consideration at this point, although, I mean, technically we've got to see 2 contractions of economic growth in quarters back to back. So we're not there yet.
We're not there yet. Hopefully don't get there. Now, the U.S. economy is also slumping. The U.S. is losing jobs as well. Many are blaming President Trump.
That's right. The unemployment rate in the U.S. is now sitting at its highest since 2021, with just 22,000 jobs added in August. And remember, their population is 10 times the size of ours.
Yes.
This is adding to concerns about significant deterioration in that economy. There's still a great deal of uncertainty around many of the U.S. president's policies. Tariffs are on, tariffs are off. Nobody knows which way is up. And the tariffs now in question, of course, after they were deemed illegal, the U.S. government has announced it will appeal. Now, I want to leave you with a bright spot.
Okay.
Because it's Friday.
It's Friday. Give it to us.
Both of these jobs reports increasing the chances for interest rate cuts in Canada and the U.S. 12 days from now. In Canada, as it stands right now, there's about a 70% chance for a cut. In the U.S., it's above 100%.
Okay. So that is good news for many people.
Yes.
Kris McCusker, as always, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.